Machine learning. A simple definition, in detail. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that involves teaching machines to learn and make predictions or decisions based on data, without being explicitly programmed to do so. The process of machine learning involves using algorithms and statistical models to analyze and learn patterns from data, and then using that knowledge to make predictions or decisions about new data. In simple terms, machine learning involves training a machine to recognize patterns in data and make decisions based on that knowledge. For example, an e-commerce website might use machine learning to analyze customer behavior and predict which products they are most likely to buy. A healthcare company might use machine learning to analyze medical data and predict which patients are at highest risk of developing certain diseases. There are several different types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the machine is trained using labeled data, meaning that the desired output is already known. In unsupervised learning, the machine is trained using unlabeled data, meaning that it must find patterns and relationships on its own. In reinforcement learning, the machine learns through a process of trial and error, receiving feedback in the form of rewards or punishments based on its actions. Machine learning has numerous applications across a wide range of industries, from finance and healthcare to manufacturing and transportation. By enabling machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that knowledge, machine learning is helping businesses and organizations improve efficiency, reduce costs, and make better decisions.